In this video, we're going to look at how to calculate the height of tide. The question, what is the height of tide at Greenock at 17:20 on the 19th of September 2020? To work through this with us, you'll need a ruler, a 2020 almanac, tidal curve for Greenock, and a pencil. Step 1, we need to find the tidal information on the 19th of September from the almanac. And as you can see here, I've put a red box around it and enlarged it. So we have the following information: high tide at 0105, low tide at 0635, high water at 1347, and low water at 1900. And a fairly big range of tide as well for the day. The closest high water to 1720 is what we need. So that becomes 1347, and this is a UT time. 19th of September is summertime, so when we put it into the tidal curve, our high water will become 1447. Next, we put the information into the tidal curve for Greenock. And we need 3 bits of information here. We need our high water at 1447, which we just worked out. We continue to add the times after that. Don't worry if the low water time doesn't match up. The second bit of information is we need our high water height, and we mark that on the top of the tidal curve line. Third bit of information is our low water height, and we mark that on the bottom of the tidal curve, and then we draw a line between the two. This is our tidal curve setup, and this will also allow us to calculate the height of tide at any given time in the afternoon, and we can easily set it up for the morning as well. Once our information is set up on a tidal curve, all that remains is for us to find our time on the bottom of the scale. 1647 is there. Each of these small lines are 10 minutes. So that becomes 1657, that becomes 1707, and that becomes 1717. And for all intents and purposes, that's 1720. And that's the time that we need. Okay. We draw a straight line up, and on this occasion, because of the range of tide, we stop at the fixed line, which is our spring tidal curve. We draw a line across till it meets the blue line that we drew earlier, and then we draw a line up, and then we can read off our information, which gives us a height of tide at 1720 at Greenock of 2.1 meters.